Hi, nice to meet you. Take a seat for me, please. Yeah. Sir, what's your name?
Young Badness.
Young Badness. I'm sorry, sir. I don't have anyone registered under that name. Must be a mistake.
Young.
Young man, remember the country is under curfew and I have to leave early, so don't waste my time. What's your real name?
Me intense enough.
Intense. Okay, yes, I have my Intense right here. So, Mr. Intense, how can I assist you today?
From a friend and gone, I dream life.
Oh, God. I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
Why we never get more than 3 pints.
Boy, I can't answer that one day, no. You just have to stay far from trouble and just make sure you're safe in the streets.
So I ain't anywhere I go, me carry steel boy.
Now shoot me, but I'm on your side.
Young.
Tell me something, why you have to behave in that violent manner?
Shoot me bad from a young man, my grandson.
No, sir, you definitely need my help. Hold on. So tell me something. Tell me about your love life. You have no girlfriend or nothing.
She catch me with a girl last week.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I can't bet you put a little girl through enough stress.
Gonna summer what I'm going with half day.
You say that a phone problem. When you get good, man, when you frog it up, when you must just stick to Annie Palmer and Ocean.
She class me as dog, she class me as horse.
Yes, because he's a dirty germs.
And they say nobody clean like we.
Whatever you say, Intense, just stop stress other people and pitney.
Me give her a lot of bun, stress out the shmaga done.
Actually, I don't want more somebody to come stress me out and maga me down. Anyway, but hope everything work out between you know, but you have to change.
Young.
Anyways, tell me where you see yourself in like 5 years from now.
Everyone thought that. I tell you the truth, you know. Just left out for the unknown.
But not like Intense. You have a vibes. You have a buzz.
Put in a man on the phone, and I'ma call ya.
Gotcha. Look at you, now because my girl look compliment me some more you. I remember me as a professional. Plus my have my man.
If your man need a low, make it hard,
Not my relationship, my love.
you know the thing, nothing a ling.
What?
Tat na 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 na, tat na 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 na, tat na 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 na, tat na 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 na.
Gotcha. Real mados.
You ain't want see me make it, want see my brass back, climb on a ladder, chuck through your.
You know, I'm sick and tired of it. And last week, a boy tried to pass the place with me, you know. And today, I chop. Look here, you, don't violate me. I'm really convinced that all I want to you know. And that's why me, there for help, you know. But you have to have respect with it.
Tears them dry, no make sense, help me now.
You know what, Intense, you know, better you go on home, go on home.
Tat na 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 na, tat na 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 na, tat na 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 na, tat na 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 na. Climb on a ladder, chuck through your.